Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for a few weeks, so this will be my first video back. I was in Dallas, Texas, helping my sister because she had twin babies who were the most beautiful little nuggets. Anyway, my video today, I'm going to be cleaning up my living room and my dining room, and then I'm going to be organizing my dining hutch that is in my dining room, obviously. I've been putting it off for months and months, and it's finally time. My boys are out of town for the next 3 weeks, so nothing better to do than to get this house organized when it can actually stay clean for more than an hour. Been a while since I've dusted these shelves, and I don't always use my vacuum, but I actually really like dusting with the vacuum. Otherwise, particles just go flying everywhere, and I just find it easier to use this. And I don't always like to use product on my wood either, so this is also a great alternative to that. all of the papers that I've been putting off cleaning. I'm also going to be taking out these 3 drawers and cleaning them too because it's just madness. Pure, just junk. A lot of the stuff that's on top of this hutch is school stuff that I need to get rid of. And I'm just gonna put the top sheet back on the cage that we keep for the dog. I feel like it kind of gives him a little bit more privacy. Not that he needs it, because he's a dang dog, but I feel like he enjoys his cage better with the sheet actually on it. Can you believe that I filled up an entire laundry basket of papers from those 3 drawers, and on top, I am just shocked, to be honest. I knew that there was a lot of stuff that I needed to go through, but I didn't realize, I guess, that it was so much. So I'm going to fast forward this part so you don't have to watch the mundaneness of it. Is that a word? I don't know. Um, but yeah, so go through all these papers, make stacks of bills and husband stuff, kid stuff, stuff to throw away goes into the trash bag. And then once I start putting stuff away, I make more piles, and hopefully get rid of most of it. So on to the next day. It got too late by the time I was working on the papers that I just had to go to bed. I was mentally exhausted from all these stupid papers. Might not look like much, but this bag is heavy with all the trash. And I got the shelves, drawers, all nicely organized. I'm going to go to IKEA and get a couple containers for them. But I think it looks pretty nifty. Makes me feel so much better. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you to do whatever you needed to do around the house today. And I will see you next time. Bye.